So Indonesia has temporarily blocked the sale of the iPhone 16 series due to Apple's failure to meet the country's domestic content level requirement. The Indonesian government decision to block the sale of the iPhone 16 series is rooted in Apple's partial compliance with the nature's and then the nation's strict local content requirement. The domestic component level policy mandates that at least 40% of any imported electronic devices component must be sourced locally to encourage local industry growth. Apple has yet to meet these requirements and needs to renew its year's requirement certification, which expired earlier this year. In addition to the requirement, Indonesian industry minister Agus specified that Apple fell short on its investment commitment. While the company had pledged to invest $1.7 trillion, around $108 million, it has only completed $1.48 trillion so far, about $93 million. The shortfall means Apple cannot sell its iPhone 16 until it fulfills both its investment and local content obligation. Indonesia has previously imposed similar requirements on other tech companies, which often had to meet specific local manufacturing or investment target to retain market access. This approach underscores Indonesia's commitment to bolstering local tech and manufacturing sector, potentially pressuring companies like Apple to establish local partnership or assembly lines if they want continued access to Indonesian large smartphone market. Once Apple fulfills this obligation, the iPhone 16 may be approved for sale, but no official timeline for compliance has been shared. And this is what is happening right now as things stand now.